We are now looking at question 13.9. Critics of early sign language education often claim that it might delay verbal skills, arguing that children will rely on gestures instead of words. However, multiple studies, including a notable 2018 study published in the Journal of Pediatric Psychology, have debunked this myth. These studies show that sign language can actually accelerate verbal development by promoting early understanding of communication concepts. How does the inclusion of expert opinions and research studies impact the passage's argument? A. It lends authority and credibility, strengthening the argument for infant sign language. B. It complicates the argument by introducing too many perspectives. C. It detracts from the author's original stance on sign language. Or D. It overshadows personal anecdotes and less formal sources of evidence. A. It lends authority and credibility, strengthening the argument for infant sign language. So that would possibly be correct because by including uh, different opinions as well as research studies, it does improve the credibility of the text, um, as well as additional opinions, and it definitely does impact the passage's argument as well. So that could be a possibility in terms of sign language. B, it complicates the argument by introducing too many perspectives. So it doesn't introduce too many perspectives, so that wouldn't be correct. C, it detracts from the author's original stance on sign language. It doesn't detract from the author's stance. And D, it overshadows personal anecdotes and less formal sources of evidence. Does not do that either. So we would stick with A, it lends authority and credibility, strengthening the argument for infant sign language. And let's highlight that. And here is the example of the study and the journal. So we can say that the inclusion of expert opinions and research studies adds authority and credibility to the argument, therefore reinforcing the benefits and effectiveness of introducing sign language to infants.